Um, a very warm welcome to everyone who's watching this. This interview with Miss Farah Sarosh is in light of the International Survivors of Suicide Loss Day, which is on the 21st of November. Now, Farah ma'am is no new entity to the mental health awareness organization. She is an alumni from Aligarh Muslim University, an engineering graduate, and the founder of Nurture Life, a non-profit organization working on mental health awareness. She is a mental health activist, educator, trainer, speaker, and pro bono counselor. Through Nurture Life, she has successfully been able to reach out to many people and help them bring the discussion of mental health from closed doors to open platforms. For her efforts, Ma'am has been titled Swasth Mitra by the former UP Health Minister in 2019. In the same year, she was invited by the Human Rights Commission to work on education with the underprivileged. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Snigdha Priyadarshini. I am an engineering student at VIT Vellore. I am a public relations member for Humans of Calcutta, and I'm joined with the head of my department, Shohadri. Right, so without any further ado, we'll move on with the interview. Ma'am, my first question to you is, you first got into
First of
mental
all, let
health,
me thank you. Let me
right?
thank you
Sure,
also,
absolutely.
and thank you for lovely introduction, and thank you for inviting me at your platform. You girls are doing wonderful, and it's really nice to be here.
Thank you, ma'am. A pleasure to have you here. Right, so
Pleasure
I'll
is all
begin with
mine.
my first question. I'm sorry I rushed into that, but here goes. You first got into mental health through a devastating incident. How is the perspective about mental health then, and how has it changed in the current scene? Also, how has coronavirus pandemic impacted this scene?
See, it's a 2 decades back story when I had to face that incident, which I mentioned that one of my friend died by suicide when I was in the hostel and I was pursuing my course. वो जो किस्सा था वो मेरे लिए बहुत ही ऐसा था कि मतलब I was in my common room watching somebody rushed into the common room and she was shouting कि that girl has died by suicide. तो अभी तो वो इंसिडेंट ऐसा था कि मैं आज तक नहीं भूलती हूँ कि एक कॉमन रूम में यू आर आल्सो अ स्टूडेंट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एटमॉस्फेयर इज इन द कॉमन रूम एंड व्हाट हाउ गर्ल्स enjoy over there and all of a sudden you get a news of your friend and वो ऐसा कर लेती है उस लड़की ने जो करा बहुत ज़्यादा दिल को हर किसी के दिल को चोट पहुँची और इसलिए पहुँची क्योंकि वो बहुत ही चीयरफुल गर्ल थी। बहुत ही चीयरफुल गर्ल थी, कभी हमने उसको सैड नहीं देखा था एंड शी वाज़ ऑलवेज़ सो जॉयफुल एंड क्रैकिंग जोक्स एंड enjoying the moments. This kind of girl can do such thing. It was not acceptable. मतलब कहीं न कहीं वो समझ ही नहीं आता था कि why she did this and somehow हमें रीजंस पता भी नहीं चले कि उसने क्यों करा था इस तरीके का स्टेप उसने क्यों उठाया था हमें कहीं पता नहीं चला क्योंकि वो एक बहुत ही शी वाज अ वेरी ब्राइट स्टूडेंट ऑफ मेडिकल मतलब शी वाज अ मेडिको एंड शी वाज अ वेरी वेरी ब्राइट स्टूडेंट आउटस्टैंडिंग स्टूडेंट इन एवरी फील्ड और एकदम से इस तरीके का स्टेप उठाना तो खैर वो हॉस्टल लाइफ थी एंड इट हैपेंड विद द टाइम ठीक है एक्सेप्ट कर लिया हो गया सब कुछ हो गया बट when I say now when you ask me ki how to connect it with mental health so I was into this profession of engineering. I was pursuing this course and I had this that I had to do something in this field only, but somehow at the back of mind I had a passion for my social work. So when I was a child, 10, 13, 14 years old, so I had a help at my home. So what I used to do na, what pocket money I used to get, तो उसमें से थोड़ा थोड़ा I used to give her कि buy a toffee or something or like this. I had this thing in my mind कि जो है, नहीं मुझे कुछ करते रहना है parallelly and this happened. It went on and on and on and I completed my course. I went to Xerox, joined there over there, but somehow at my mind I was like कि जो है, no, this is not the place where I fit. No, this is not the place where I fit. And somehow uh, parallelly लेते 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 ऑटोमेटिकली मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि मैं उस प्रोफेशन से अपने पैशन की तरफ कब आ गई।
Ah,
तो उसी के अंदर फिर इतना इंडल्ज हो गई मैं, और आई गॉट मैरिड, बट आई हैड माय रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज, then I had started my family, but parallelly I didn't stop my social work, I didn't stop my passion. तो वो चलता रहा विद द अंडर प्रिविलेज पुअर्स, सबके साथ चलता, लेकिन आफ्टर सम पीरियड आई रियलाइज्ड कि मैं इतना सब कुछ तो कर रही हूँ, अंडर प्रिविलेज को आई एम हेल्पिंग देम, आई एम गाइडिंग देम, लेकिन समहाउ आई फील कि पीपल आर नॉट हैप्पी। कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ऐसी चीज, देयर वाज अ मिसिंग लिंक व्हिच आई वाज सर्चिंग। आई इफ आई यूज्ड टू रिमाइंड एवरीथिंग, जब मैं अपने एमएनसी में भी काम करती थी, तो देयर आल्सो आई यूज्ड टू फाइंड कि समथिंग इज मिसिंग, why people are not happy, they are looking for something and they don't know what they are looking for. तो लेटली आई रियलाइज कि भाई ये तो माइंड में प्रॉब्लम है, और माइंड की बात है, और यहाँ पे कुछ मिसिंग है, सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं है, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, बिहेवियरल इशू है। देन आई रियलाइज दैट इट इज ऑल अबाउट द मेंटल हेल्थ। 10 years back, जब when I started with this talking about mental health, सबसे बड़ा stigma, when you use this word mental, people
हाँ,
think that mental means
पागल.
everyone pagal. And this is the biggest stigma of our society, to accept this word. Acceptance ही नहीं थी इस word की. And when people used to ask me what do you do, I used to say I work for mental health. Mental health का क्या मतलब होता है? क्या पागलों के लिए काम होता है क्या? And this is the way people used to react, and this is the way people used to say, अरे अरे हमें कोई mental health की problem नहीं है, और ये नहीं है, और हम तो इस तरीके से कोई बात करना ही नहीं चाहता. Nobody wanted to talk about mental health, because सबसे बड़ी बात ये, when I'm using word mental, that means मैं सिर्फ पागलपन की बात कर रही हूँ. Then I realized it is so much necessary to educate people about this issue. First thing what I had to do is I have to create awareness people about it. I have to break this stigma that mental does not means pagal. It only means that we are talking about our emotions, how these emotions related with this work. I started reaching to schools, colleges, shoppers, everywhere. I starting shops. First I start with this कि mental का मतलब पागल नहीं होता है, mental का मतलब
Yes.
then I realized that it is so necessary to educate people about mental health. To break this stigma, awareness is the key to education, and I have to educate people about it. That mental does not mean pagal. It only means that we are talking about mind, we are talking about emotions, we are talking about feelings, and accordingly, how we start behaving. Then this is all mental health. And the way we talk about physical health, that means we are talking about body. In the same way, we have to talk about mental health.
That
So
is.
this is the way we used to work, and this is the story. हाँ जी बताइए.
नहीं नहीं मैम, आप बोलते रहिए, मैं फिर बाद में अपना बोलूंगी.
Okay, I thought you were saying something.
नहीं.
So this is all the thing was pre-pandemic.
हाँ.
The story was this pre-pandemic. Again, somehow when this pandemic entered in our lives, Corona happened, then we realized to survive in this situation, it is so much necessary to keep ourselves mentally strong. The only thing which can help us to survive this situation is your mental health.
बिल्कुल. So.
So this is how the things changed. Somehow the pandemic helped in breaking the stigma of mental health, and now the people have started more about it and have realized that mental health is it has to be on the priority, and it should be talked. It should be brought from closed room to open platforms.
Platforms. Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely. I agree with everything that you just said. And in fact, I'd just like to point out that it is incredible that you made it through a terrible event and turned it into something positive, one. And next, that you you dared to follow your passion in a time where engineering is considered to be the most stable career out there, and to take the step, to take a bold step into social work and into a somewhat untapped area, so an area that not many people talk about. That was very, very brave of you, and I really look up to you. So, thank you for sharing
Thank
that,
you so
ma'am.
much.
My next question to you is, now at my organization, at Humans of Calcutta, we are currently running a month-long program on child abuse, right? And and we are trying to raise awareness about the various atrocious aspects associated with child abuse. Now, if I draw a parallel from child abuse to the International Survivors of Suicide Loss Day, I ask you, how common are suicide cases in children, and what are the
See,
causes?
suicide is becoming the leading cause of death.
Hmm.
It's becoming the leading cause of death. It is the second leading cause of death. And in overall population, it is the 10th leading cause of death among the people of 10 years to 24 years.
It's
And the main reason behind is this, that mental health literacy rate is very low in our society.
true.
People are not aware about it. People don't want to talk about it. People don't respect the feelings and emotion of other people. So, the main reason for this increase in suicide rates is that, first of all, the mental health literacy rate is so low, and
Hmm.
uh, people don't know where to talk.
Huh.
And it is such a judgmental society. Nobody wants to share anything with anyone. And this suffocations come them to death.
So,
This is the main reason why this suicide happened. The stigma behind the mental health, the stigma of professional mental health professionals, and the mental health literacy rate.
hmm,
And this
that
judgment,
is,
in this judgmental society, the stigma,
it is, ma'am. I agree. So, I think,
this is the main reason. And in children, what happens? In children, what happens? It is not always that mental illness is responsible for this step. It is somehow
hmm,
impulsive actions also are there, where the children take this social media age, when they are when they are idealizing, where they have their idols, they have influencers on the social media. Like recently, when Sushant Singh case happened, there were many children who just imitate. There was a case of a 14-year-old boy in India only. He left a note that when he can do it, why can't I do it?
so in this,
Now, are you there?
yes, ma'am, I'm here. I'm right here. So the hype around with social media, the stress culminating in students, and also
Yes,
I
and
think
these the thing that they choose their influences
right.
from there. Matlab, they idealize so much ki they think that what they are doing, they are right. And the
Hmm,
communication gap between a parent and a child is also responsible for all these kind of
true.
incidences.
Absolutely.
So it is very much necessary for parents also to get educated, aware, and bridge this gap between a child and a parent,
Hmm,
especially in their adolescence and in their teenage.
correct. Absolutely. Absolutely. And ma'am, in families, I think one of the leading causes of all discrepancies has been stress around academics. So, be it competitive exams, crack karna, or be it board exams. So there's a certain undue pressure that a student feels on herself or himself, and
Correct.
that that
Very
drives
true.
them to many extents.
Very true, very
So,
true. Just because students are also not well aware and well educated about
mm,
handling stresses and handling pressures, somehow they get into this. इतना ज़्यादा उनके ऊपर प्रेशर ऑटोमैटिकली क्रिएट होता चला जाता है। कभी वो खुद से कर लेते हैं, कभी पेरेंट्स की एक्सपेक्टेशन से कर लेते हैं। इन
हाँ,
मेनी केसेस इट हैपेंस देयर आर एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स साइड सो मच कि बच्चा उसको हैंडल ही नहीं कर पा रहा है। और ये जो कम्युनिकेशन गैप होता है जिसके अंदर बच्चा क्या कहना चाहता है, कितना करना चाहता है, वो कम्युनिकेट हो ही नहीं पाता है कभी एक-दूसरे के बीच में। वो कन्वे ही नहीं कर
हम्म,
कर पाता है कभी-कभी कि हम क्या किस तरीके से इसको करें। और समहाउ पेरेंट्स की ये गलती रहती है कि वो इतना ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट करने लगते हैं बच्चे की कि उसकी कैपेबिलिटी वो जज नहीं कर पाते हैं,
हाँ,
उसकी कैपेबिलिटी जज नहीं कर पाते हैं और उससे जो है अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन रखने लगते हैं। वो समहाउ एक इतना ज़बरदस्त प्रेशर बिल्ड अप करता है कि बजाय इसके कि वो बच्चा ग्रो करने के बजाय सफोकेट होने लगता है।
हाँ,
तो
very true.
every time when I say कि we discuss and we raise these issues, तो simultaneously मैं कहती चली जाती हूँ, it is so much necessary to educate yourself, educate your self awareness बहुत ज़रूरी
Mm,
है। अपने आप को when I say educate that means आपको पता होना चाहिए, टीन पेरेंट्स को पता होना चाहिए कि टीनेज की क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती हैं बच्चे की, और बच्चे को ये समझना चाहिए, पेरेंट के ऊपर ट्रस्ट रखना चाहिए। तो बोथ वेज वी हैव टू काउंसल देम, इट्स नॉट ओनली वन वे कि खाली
mm,
बच्चे को समझा दिया या खाली पेरेंट को समझा
पेरेंट
दिया।
को समझाना।
दोनों को साथ-साथ समझाना ज़रूरी होता है
जी
इसके
हाँ,
अंदर।
बिल्कुल।
और ये जो प्रोसीजर शुरू होता है, as soon as the child enters in middle school, this
Mm,
process should start.
middle school, huh? That is when the brain forms and people get mature. So yes, that is absolutely right. Middle school से ही start होना चाहिए. I
जी,
mean,
और उसी के बाद
we are, yes.
एंड
Uh,
समहाउ बजाय इसके कि ये देखा जाए कि बच्चा किस एज में एंटर कर रहा है, हम ये देखने पेरेंट्स यूजुअली ये देखने लगते हैं, बोर्ड पे फोकस करने लगते हैं। नाउ
हाँ,
your 10th is coming, your 10th is coming, the board classes are coming, board classes are coming. Before this, it is so very much necessary to understand your child. तो बजाय इसके कि एक प्रेशर बिल्डअप करके बोर्ड बिल्डअप के या एक टारगेट एम करने से पहले एक अंडरस्टैंड कर लेना चाहिए बच्चे और पेरेंट के बीच में, जिसके अंदर एज अ टीम वर्क दे वर्क टुगेदर, एंड आई थिंक इफ इट हैपेंस देन वंडर्स विल।
true. Absolutely. Absolutely. I could not agree more. I mean, teamwork is the dream work. And in this team, with parents and children bridging the communication gap, wonders can truly happen. Uh, so, my next question will be now moving on from children to adults and almost everyone. So, as I said earlier, almost everyone has had suicidal thoughts at some point in their lives. So, in these dark moments, what should we remind ourselves so that we don't succumb to our mental wounds? हमें अपने आप को क्या कहना चाहिए कि नहीं, जिंदगी में है, जोश है,
फर्स्ट थिंग
जिंदगी जीने लायक है।
व्हाट सबसे पहले जिंदगी जीने के लिए अपने आप को पहचानना चाहिए। डिस्कवर योरसेल्फ, व्हाट आर यू, एंड देन एक्सेप्ट योरसेल्फ।
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल।
फर्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट आई फील कि एवरीवन शुड डिस्कवर हरसेल्फ और हिमसेल्फ, देन ही शुड एक्सेप्ट हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ। अपने फ्लॉज, अपने पॉजिटिव साइड, अपनी नेगेटिव साइड सब पता होना चाहिए, और उसके बाद अपना एक्सेप्टेंस होना चाहिए। अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज हमें पता होना चाहिए, और जब हमें अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज पता होंगी तो हम अपने आप से अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी नहीं रखेंगे।
ट्रू।
बिकॉज जब हम अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशंस अपने खुद से रखते हैं, तभी कहीं ना कहीं प्रेशर डेवलप होना शुरू हो जाता है। बिकॉज हम अपने एफर्ट से ज्यादा नहीं दे सकते, किसी हाल में नहीं दे सकते। अगर आप इसको किसी एग्जाम्पल ले लीजिए, किसी मशीनरी से भी ले लीजिए, उसकी भी अपनी एक पावर होती है। अगर उस पावर से ज्यादा उस पर प्रेशर डाला जाएगा So that will not work.
हाँ.
That will not work. No machinery can work. So same way it is your body. It is also a machinery. Your mind is machinery. Your brain is a machinery. It has its own capability. It has its own power.
Mm-hmm.
तो आपको अपने आप को बजाय इसके कि दूसरे को जज योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट, जज योर कैपेबिलिटीज, जज योर पावर, अकॉर्डिंगली अब आप अपनी जिंदगी के अंदर आगे बढ़िए। और जिंदगी के अंदर आगे बढ़ने के बाद प्लस स्किल डेवलपमेंट बहुत जरूरी होते हैं, स्किल बहुत जरूरी होते हैं, ये सब चीजें जो आपको ट्रेन करना बहुत जरूरी है अपने आप को कि बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट दैट लाइफ इज फुल ऑफ चैलेंजेस, लाइफ इज नॉट अ केक वॉक,
True.
life is not a cakewalk. If we are into a race, then फिर तो कुछ होने वाला नहीं है। ये रेस तो मरते दम तक खत्म होने वाली नहीं है।
हाँ जी.
इन कंपेयर इस रेस के अंदर तो आप आगे पीछे होने के चक्कर में आप कहाँ खो जाएंगे आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा। तो इसलिए सबसे पहले यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट लाइफ इज अ चैलेंज, it is not a cakewalk. Then we have to prepare ourselves for these challenges. Ups and downs will come because this is life. लाइफ है तभी अप्स एंड डाउन्स है, सुख है दुख है, दुख है सुख है, दिस इज द साइकिल। और इन्हीं सबको हमें हैंडल करने के लिए इसी के अंदर हमारी कुछ एजुकेशन काम आती है, प्लस हमारी जो सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनिंग होती है जिसके अंदर हम अपने अपना मेंटल हेल्थ जिससे कनेक्ट होता है, रेजिलियंस इंक्रीज करते हैं, मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ इंक्रीज करते हैं। इस तरीके की एक्टिविटीज में अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना चाहिए। और प्लस जो ये सोसाइटल थॉट्स की बात है, एक आपका तो पार्ट ये हो गया जिसके अंदर हम अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि प्रेशर कैसे बिल्टअप होता है, और इसके अंदर हम इस तरीके से हम अपने आप को मैनेज कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे हम कुछ अपनी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हैं जिसके अंदर मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ा सकते हैं, रेजिलियंस बढ़ा सकते हैं, कोपिंग स्किल्स बढ़ा सकते हैं। कोपिंग स्किल्स जो होती हैं, जो हमारे स्ट्रेस और इस तरीके की चीजें होती है, कैसे हैंडल करें उनको। अब आती है बात सोसाइटल थॉट्स की। तो समहाउ सोसाइटल थॉट्स कभी कभी आपको कुछ मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज हो सकते हैं जिसकी वजह से आ रहे हो, या कभी कभी आप उस प्रेशर को नहीं हैंडल कर पा रहे हो, तो इट्स लाइक कि पेन खत्म हो जाए किसी तरीके से, तो आपका जो है उस तरफ जहन जा सकता है।
हाँ जी.
लेकिन in between that we have people around us who are ready to help us, who are sitting there to help us, like psychologists, counselors. लेकिन because of the stigma of mental health we do not want to connect with them, because somehow we have in our mind, if somebody come to know that I am visiting a counselor, that means I have some mental health issue, and I'll be tagged with this that I have some mental health issue. This is also another stigma, visiting a counselor or a psychologist for some guidance.
Correct.
And this stigma, and now the time has come when this stigma has to be broken. And when you have some societal thoughts, if you think you are having something, reach out to a professional. Instead of reaching to a friend, reach out to a professional, because he is a skilled person. He is a skilled person who can understand your thought process and can guide you in a correct way.
Correct. Absolutely.
You have, everyone has to learn this. Everyone, see, again this comes under all that mental health literacy. Again it comes under mental health literacy and educate yourself. What I say, that educate yourself. So understand the importance of the professional who are sitting in the market for you people only, who are struggling with your thought process, who are struggling with your mental health. And when I say mental health, I do not mean I'm talking about mental health illnesses. First of all, this also has to be understood that when we talk about mental health, it's an umbrella term. It's general health. It is a general mental health. It's not about mental health illnesses. And it happens with everyone somehow. लॉ, आप अपनी जिंदगी में जब आगे बढ़ते हैं, जिंदगी में जब ऊपर नीचे बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है, तो आप अपने आप को स्टेबल नहीं महसूस करते हैं, आपका थॉट प्रोसेस डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है, एंड यू डोंट नो हाउ टू टेक डिसीजन एंड हाउ you when you get confused or lost. And it is again, I am repeating this thing, that if you are reaching to a professional, it's a wise decision. Instead of going to your friend, it is better to go to a professional, just because he is a skilled person who can understand your thoughts without judging you. Without
Huh.
judging you, he will understand you, and then he will give you correct uh, guidance what you can do in your future.
Absolutely. That is true, ma'am. So, I think the most important points that I could relate to, number one is introspection is the key to self improvement. You need to know what you are worth. You need to know how much you can do. You need to know your potential. Next, I think the stigma around visiting a psychiatrist, the stigma around visiting a counselor, often stops people from actually seeking help. People who need help, people who know that they need help, they don't step out of their door only because of what people around them may think of them. So, but
And
in
one
these
thing I also
moments,
one thing I want to add something to this. When you use this thing that visiting a psychiatrist,
हाँ जी,
uh, इससे पहले साइकोलॉजिस्ट आता है.
अच्छा, अच्छा,
मतलब अगर
psychologist,
आपको लगता है कि आप खाली, बिकॉज़ जो साइकियाट्रिस्ट होता है वो स्पेसिफिकली आपके जो केमिकल इम्बैलेंसेस होते हैं, या कोई आपको मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यू डायग्नोज करता है, या
हाँ जी,
इलनेस डायग्नोज करता है, तो मेंटल साइकियाट्रिस्ट इज द पर्सन हु हु डायग्नोज एन इलनेस, कोई
ओ,
बीमारी अगर होती है। लेकिन इससे पहले जो आपका साइकोलॉजिस्ट है, जब
हाँ,
आपका थॉट प्रोसेस थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है एंड यू फील लॉस्ट एंड यू नीड लिटिल गाइडेंस, you need to support system, so psychologist is the right person to reach
right.
out. And
Absolutely.
this
I think this is another excellent point, correcting me as well. Now, this again reiterates mental health literacy. There is a difference between psychologists and psychiatrists, and the fact that
right.
psychologists come first because they are the people who you can talk to openly without feeling judged. Then a psychiatrist comes if at all you have a mental illness that you need to deal with. So thanks.
Then
That is
psychologist will diagnose this. If anyone is facing some mental illness, psychologist will diagnose it, and he will refer to the psychiatrist.
psychiatrist. So that is an excellent tip. First, the first person of contact should definitely be a psychologist, and we need to make more people aware of this, and we need to get rid of the stigma around visiting psychologists. So,
Correct. Mhm.
so uh,
Correct.
my my next question is related to this only, and this is with reference to society. So, what role can society play in sensitizing people about suicide? Does it live up to that role and fulfill its potential? And if not, how can it and how should it? So, we were talking about stigma
I
and
think the only I think the only key to break this stigma is to increase the mental health literacy rate. It
Haji.
is so much necessary to educate more and more people about it, to create awareness programs, to
Mm,
also make them aware that suicide are preventive. Suicide are preventive. Like my organization conduct workshops on suicide preventive workshops. This is for
mm,
parents as well for the students, as well for others. So
mhm,
people don't know that these suicides are preventable if we are educated enough, if we know about it, if we know about the signs, if we can if anyone in our family is undergoing depression or anxiety, then there are some workshops where we give them such टिप्स जो अपने आसपास के लोगों के अंदर वो पहचान सकते हैं कि जिस तरीके से इसको हम हेल्प कर सकते हैं, और इफ somebody is suffering from some pressure or something, जहाँ पे वो सिग्नल्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं, तो he can take that step, he can take that person to the professional, or देयर आर सम टिप्स कि उसको अकेले नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए, या उसके आसपास से ऐसी चीजें हटा देनी चाहिए जो इस तरीके की तरफ बढ़ सकता है.
mm,
So there it is very much necessary in the society to create more and more awareness about that suicides are preventive, by educating people, by organizing programs on suicide preventive workshops, giving them solutions. Instead of just talking about the issue, we now the time has come, we have to give them solutions, self-help solutions.
so
So this is the thing. uh, this is the only education is the only key which can break the stigma, which can make people aware about the issue, which can give them some self-help tips, which can help, which can make them people realize that they can help others in this issue.
I think that is, you are very right, ma'am. That is the key to lessen the stigma around mental health, or to actually just have more open conversation and the conversations. The best part is the solutions are around us, right? Your organization does a wonderful job, and
Correct.
in conveying that suicide is preventive. It is not a terminal illness. It need not end in death. You can seek help, and you
Yes.
should seek help. So that question
Yes.
was very, very well answered, ma'am. Thank you. And
Thank you so much. And one thing I also want to add, जैसे हम
yes,
लोग फर्स्ट एड टिप्स अपने घर के अंदर बताते हैं, फर्स्ट एड
जी
टिप्स
हाँ,
हमें बचपन से हमारी बुक्स में होते हैं फर्स्ट एड टिप्स, इसी
हाँ जी,
तरीके से मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज के भी हेल्थ टिप्स हैं, इसी तरीके के प्रोग्राम से हम सीख सकते हैं, लाइक
हम्म,
वर्कशॉप, दैट दी सुसाइड प्रिवेंटिव वर्कशॉप, दीज आर दी लाइक फर्स्ट हैंड टिप्स, कि आपको अगर कुछ भी लगे तो आप इसके अंदर हेल्प दे भी सकते हैं, ले भी सकते हैं.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल. Absolutely. That is another key path in bridging this stigma and navigating it in a positive direction. So we should have cue cards like we do for that give out tips for regarding mental health awareness. We should definitely have that. And my next question is again, my questions are in the link. So this is again about suicide in professional life. So a main reason for suicide in adults is due to stress, due to mental stress, and the stress in professional life is a major cause for this, and it is inevitable. Like you very rightly said, life is a challenge, but this stress, right, it culminates and manifests itself in the form of compassion fatigue. When, in case of frontline workers, doctors, police officers who are supposed to be rescuing us, there is this compassion fatigue which develops over time due to professional stress. So, how do we break this vicious cycle of compassion fatigue inducing stress and causing suicidal thoughts?
See, this is again like that who all are caregivers, na? They are
Mhm.
all consuming responsibility.
हाँ जी, करेक्ट.
मतलब क्या, this compassion fatigue hurt all the caregivers, वो जिस भी फील्ड के हों.
हम्म.
इतना ज़्यादा ट्रॉमेटिक इंसिडेंसेस देखते हैं, सब चीज़ें देखते हैं, एंड समहाउ मतलब एज़ यू सेड दैट इट इज़ वेरी कॉमन विद द फ्रंट लाइन
Frontline
वॉरियर्स,
workers.
what they are called frontline warriors. Again, the same thing happens that they don't realize कि जो है अपने प्रोफेशन में हम जो कर रहे हैं तो समवेयर हमें अपना भी ध्यान रखना है,
हम्म.
अपना भी ध्यान रखना है, एंड
करेक्ट.
समहाउ दे डोंट इवन रियलाइज कि ये चीजें इनके मेंटल हेल्थ को कितना इम्पैक्ट कर रही है. द सेम थिंग नाउ विद योर एवरी क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर, दिस थिंग विल रिपीट, द स्टिग्मा ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ इन द सोसाइटी. इसकी वजह से लोगों को ये अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है कि आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ किस किस तरीके से अफेक्ट हो जाती है.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So when you are talking about compassion fatigue and about all these frontline warriors, then again the same thing is happening with them, that they don't even realize that somewhere with all these things happening around them, their mental health is getting impacted.
Correct.
And there are some coping skills, there are some few steps that we say. Stress is a part of life. We cannot deny the fact. Stress is a part of life and we cannot deny the fact. We cannot say कि क्यों है, क्या है, किस तरीके से, लेकिन है. We have to accept it that it is there. तो किसी ना किसी फॉर्म में स्ट्रेस है, होता ही है. छोटी-छोटी बातों में स्ट्रेस होता है, बड़ी-बड़ी बातों में स्ट्रेस होता है। लेकिन मसला ये है कि बजाय इसके कि हम इतने मुद्दे पे उसको डिस्कस करते हैं, क्यों है, क्या है, किस लिए है, हमें अब सॉल्यूशंस पे ही ज़्यादा फोकस करना है, एक्सेप्टेंस पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना है. स्ट्रेस इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ एंड वी शुड नो सम कोपिंग स्किल्स एंड वी शुड नो हाउ टू हैंडल दिस. एंड हमें पहले खुद आना चाहिए. लाइक व्हेन यू सी ना, व्हेन यू गो इन द एरोप्लेन,
Hmm.
when you go when you fly that air hostess, what she says कि आपका ऑक्सीजन मास्क आएगा, पहले खुद लगाइए फिर साथ वाले को लगाइए।
हाँ जी, एब्सोल्युटली,
हाँ,
दैट
पहले
इज
खुद लगाइए फिर साथ वाले को लगाइए। द सेम हैपेंस विद दिस, व्हेन फर्स्ट टू टेक केयर ऑफ एनीबॉडी एल्स, यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, एंड स्पेशली व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ।
हाँ जी,
So it is so important to keep mental health at the priority. First, help yourself, then help others. When you will be mentally healthy, then only you will be able to help others. तो उसके लिए हमारे पास फ्यू टिप्स होते हैं जो डे टू डे लाइफ में हमें फॉलो करना चाहिए। सबसे पहले तो लाइक ऑल दीज फ्रंट लाइन वॉरियर्स शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ द फैक्ट व्हाट आर द चेंजेस दैट आर हैपनिंग अराउंड देम। मतलब दे शुड नॉट इग्नोर कि जो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अराउंड देम, इज इट इम्पैक्टिंग देम समवेयर, कहीं कहीं उनका बिहेवियर चेंज हो रहा है, या उनकी ईटिंग हैबिट्स चेंज हो रही हैं, या उनका स्लीप पैटर्न चेंज हो रहा है। तो दीज आर दी बेसिक साइंस कि जहाँ पे हमें ये सिग्नल मिलने लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है। अगर आपका स्लीपिंग पैटर्न चेंज हुआ है, या आपकी ईटिंग हैबिट्स में कुछ चेंज आया है, या तो भूख नहीं लग रही है, या भूख ज्यादा लग रही है, या आप बहुत ज्यादा खा रहे हैं, या आप बिल्कुल नहीं खा रहे हैं, या आप होकर उठते हैं तो यू आर फ्रेश और यू आर नॉट फ्रेश। दीज आर द बेसिक साइंस विच यू शुड नो, बिकॉज स्लीप एंड दिस ईटिंग बहुत डीपली कनेक्टेड है आपके मेंटल हेल्थ से। The first thing is that you should be aware of the fact कि what is happening around yourself. Secondly, make yourself a priority. What I said ना कि वो ऑक्सीजन मास्क गिरता
ऑक्सीजन
है,
मास्क,
जैसे पहले खुद लगाइए फिर
हाँ जी,
दूसरे को लगाइए। तो make yourself a priority. Then when you are into so much of you have to look after everyone, और इतने traumas होते हैं, तो you should give some time to your friends also. You should spend time with your friends. You should have some me time. You should give time to your hobby also. Apart from all your professional activities, when I say making yourself a priority, then when you make yourself priority, all these things include in that. Spending time with a friend, spending time with a friend, or this writing activity is also very good. Maintaining a journal helps you in many ways. Uh,
I'm sorry. Maintaining a journal too.
Journal. This habit of maintaining a journal, right? When we talk about sleep hygiene ना, तो we say कि अगर आपको कोई चीज परेशान कर रही है रात को, when you lie down to sleep, but somehow something is bothering you,
हाँ,
there's some thought that is bothering you, you just
hmm,
get up and write down.
write it down, absolutely. ये मैं भी करती हूँ, I mean, और सबसे ज्यादा.
No,
So
you
that
do
is a
it and
very
you can, that when you do it, you know that how much it eases you.
correct. So,
Like some other things like uh, going for a walk, keeping yourself physically healthy, going to a gym, or if you are not getting time for a gym, then you should maintain a routine to go on a walk for a
correct.
20 minutes walk in the morning or in the evening. Give yourself some time, get some fresh air. And these hobbies, when I say na hobbies, these hobbies are very therapeutic. Give some time to your hobby, and everyone should have a hobby, not at a certain age, but for whole life you all should have a hobby. We all should have one.
Hmm.
This is very therapeutic. And last, when we see when we are not able to handle all these things, then seek a professional.
Yeah, definitely. Yes, that is true. So, you mentioned writing a journal, and I can vouch for that because I write journals on a regular basis now. And it is one of the best things that I decided to do. And I recommend it to everyone and anyone who is watching this. They must write a journal because at a certain moment you are not sure who to talk to about what, right? So you can just simply write it down and you can ease your mind. So that is an incredible point. And next is definitely you have to make yourself a priority. That is so very important, and you explained that beautifully through an example when an air hostess warns you to first use a mask yourself, then help others. And only when you help yourself to the fullest can you carry out your potential. So incredible answer, ma'am. um,
Mm.
Now, my
I
next
hope.
question is slightly different, right? The fact, now I want to take this on a global context. So what happens is, there is a lot of inequality and inequity in the world based on facts that we have no control over, like the color of our skin, right? There are things that there are very awful social constructs like racism, racism, sexism, which exist unfortunately. So, what role do these differences play in causing depression and thereby driving people to kill themselves or even think about killing themselves?
You are very correct that racism directly and indirectly affect your mental health, and
Hmm.
I accept this fact. And not only racism, body shaming, your skin color, casteism. In India,
Hmm.
it's so much of we face all these kind of things also. So racism is a umbrella terms. It covers everything. I feel कि जो है खाली स्किन कलर पर नहीं महदूद रहता है, सभी चीजों पे कवर कर ही लेता है वो. So yes, it definitely directly and indirectly affects your mental health, and it is so sad part of our society that we are so judgmental, and instead of judging them in on their intellect level, we judge them on their skin color and about their looks. We so much talk about this, and it is really sad, and it is. Uh, इसको तो मैं ये भी नहीं कह सकती कि हमारे यहाँ एजुकेशन कमी है या इट इज अ ग्लोबल प्रॉब्लम.
हाँ जी, ट्रू.
हाँ, तो इट्स अ ग्लोबल प्रॉब्लम. तो इसके अंदर मैं यही कहूंगी कि इफ somebody faces this, the first thing what he or she should do to talk to somebody.
हाँ जी.
Don't suffocate. Talk to somebody. At least convey it that you got hurt. It is happening with you. Don't get bullied. Don't get suffocated. Speak it
Hmm.
out. Have that courage to speak it out. Raise your voice. You have that courage to raise your voice if it's happening with you, because it deeply impact a person, and the society does not realize this, that how deeply they are hurting them. तो अभी जब हम इसकी बात करते हैं तो हमारा कंट्रोल यहाँ पे we'll see कि हम कंट्रोल क्या कर सकते हैं. we cannot control this we
Hmm.
cannot control the society, but we can have control on ourselves,
Hmm.
right? So
Correct.
first thing, what right, the first thing what we have to do is we have to make ourselves so strong that if sometime this thing happens, कि कोई हमें बुली करता है, हमें कुछ कहता है, या जो भी चीज ऐसा होता है जो हमें एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, तो we should have that courage to raise the voice.
Hmm.
The first thing what we have to learn is कि हमें suffocate नहीं होना है यहाँ पे. We have to speak it out, either to a friend, to a family. We have to speak it out, and we have to tell the other person that this is happening with me.
Correct. सही.
जब आप बात करोगे, जब आप बोलोगे, तो आपके अंदर वो सफोकेशन नहीं होगी.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल.
बात करने से बात करने से सब जो स्टिग्मा होता है, जो टैबू होता है, कन्वर्सेशन से ही टूटता है. When you open a conversation, then only solutions will come. अगर आप बात नहीं करोगे तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं पता चलेगी, प्रॉब्लम नहीं पता चलेगी तो सॉल्यूशंस नहीं मिलेंगे. एंड वी ऑल शुड नो दैट एवरी प्रॉब्लम कम विद अ सॉल्यूशन इन
हाँ,
दिस वर्ल्ड. ऐसा
definitely
नहीं.
there is light at the end of the tunnel. So,
करेक्ट. सो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर कि जो है हम बात करें, हम
हाँ जी.
सफोकेट नहीं हुए, और फिर
Hmm.
उसके बाद हमारा जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप आना चाहिए कि अगर वो चीज हमें बहुत इम्पैक्ट कर रही है, बहुत ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट कर चुकी है, तो अगेन दिस अवेयरनेस ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ, दिस प्रोफेशनल का स्टिग्मा का ब्रेक होना, एंड टू रीच अ प्रोफेशनल. एवरी टाइम व्हेन आई से टू रीच अ प्रोफेशनल, जस्ट बिकॉज यू डोंट नो आपके फ्रेंड की मेंटल हेल्थ कैसी है, आपको नहीं पता आपके किसी नेबर की मेंटल हेल्थ कैसी है, वो आपको किस गाइडलाइन दे दे, कौन सी गाइडेंस दे दे, एंड दीज प्रोफेशनल्स आर ट्रेन्ड फॉर दिस कि टू guide you and not to judge you.
True. True. I think, ma'am, with every single question of mine, the gravity of the stigma around mental health is being emphasized, and the importance of speaking about it is becoming more and more clear with every progressive question. So that is why we should have conversations like we are having right now.
Very true.
We should talk to our friends. We should talk to people we trust, and even if we don't feel like opening up to them, we there are people out there who want to listen to us and who won't judge us, who are trained not to judge us, like you very rightly said. So that brings me to my last question. Now this is about families of people who are hurting, right? So among families who have witnessed suicide, how have people, uh, or have people at all, understood that people who commit suicide, people who are disturbed, are not doing it to hurt others, but because they have succumbed to the stress and the circumstances? So how well have people understood, or have they at all?
I think in our India, still people not understanding it.
Hmm.
Still in India, people are not understanding it. People are not realizing कि कितना प्रेशर बिल्टअप हो रहा है हमारे अराउंड, हमें कैसे उसको हैंडल करना है, कोई अवेयरनेस नहीं है, कोई जानकारी नहीं है लोगों के पास, उस प्रॉब्लम को हैंडल करने की कोई स्किल नहीं है। और जब ऐसा इंसिडेंस हमारे घर में गॉड फॉरबिड हो जाता है या किसी के घर में हो जाता है, तो दे डोंट ब्लेम देम, इट्स मोर लाइक कि पछतावा, एक पछतावा रह जाता है, एक अजीब सी, आई थिंक दैट फीलिंग कैन नॉट बी डिस्क्राइब्ड इन वर्ड्स। मतलब वो जो एक हेल्पलेसनेस होती है, आई नो पीपल हु हैव लॉस्ट देयर सन्स, हु हैव लॉस्ट देयर सिस्टर्स, हु हैव लॉस्ट देयर मदर्स, दे आर सुसाइड सर्वाइवर्स एंड दे आर लाइक कि मतलब हेल्पलेस, दे डिडंट नो कि करना क्या था, हमसे क्या गलती हो गई है, हमने क्या मिस कर दिया, हमारे साथ रहता था, कल तक ठीक था, सुबह ऐसा क्या हो गया। It is just because of all the stigma attached to this mental health. And what I said in the previous thing when you asked me कि इस चीज को खत्म करने के लिए जो सेल्फ हेल्प टिप्स होते हैं और जो एजुकेशन होती है, जो मेंटल हेल्थ लिटरेसी रेट बढ़ाने की मैं बात करती हूँ, इट इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस। एंड देयर इज अ मिथ, देयर इज आल्सो अ मिथ कि दैट वी शुड नॉट टॉक अबाउट सुसाइड्स ओपनली। पीपल थिंक दैट विल एनकरेज अदर पीपल टू come attempt it. This is a myth attached to this. So it is so much very necessary to talk about openly, to talk about the in your houses openly, to discuss about mental health in your houses. When I previously said ki jo hai, bring these discussions from closed room to open platform, I also say bring these discussions from closed room to your dining table discussions.
Um, that is
कि
very
when we
important.
sit, when we eat together, we should understand कि किसका मूड कैसा है, किसी फादर का मूड कैसा है या मदर का है, या हम लोगों में एट अ टाइम व्हेन वी आर ग्रोन अप इनफ, लाइक वी आर टीनेज, वी आर सो मच अवेयर अबाउट द थिंग्स, वी आर
Hmm.
सो मच ऑन सोशल मीडिया, वी कीप ऑन रीडिंग, तो वी शुड नो, वी शुड स्टार्ट रेस्पेक्टिंग ईच अदर्स इमोशंस, एंड वी शुड इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट कि मम्मा ने मुझे डांट दिया तो मैं उस पे बुरा मान जाऊं, तो मुझे ये सोचना चाहिए कि उनके अराउंड ऐसा क्या हो रहा है जो मम्मा आजकल
Money data.
फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो रही है। या
Correct.
अगर या अगर बच्चा है, टीनेज बच्चा है या छोटा बच्चा है या बड़ा बच्चा, जो व्हाटएवर एज ही और शी इज इन, इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग ऑन दिस कि उसने मुझे जवाब ऐसा दे दिया, पेरेंट्स शुड रियलाइज कि मुझे
Hmm.
जवाब ऐसा दे दिया, इंस्टेड ऑफ फोकसिंग ऑन दिस, दे शुड नो कि भाई उसका बिहेवियर ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है। So these kind of awarenesses are so much necessary, and it can only happen when we create awareness program, when you educate people, when we create parent education programs, when we create suicide prevention workshops, and we talk more and more and more about it. Then only all these kind of stigmas can be broken, and हमारा 21st is a survivor's loss day, that it is कि जो है उसके अंदर है कि जो सर्वाइवर्स बच रहे, सर्वाइवर्स बच रहे, तो सोसाइटी शुड रियलाइज दैट एक तो उन्होंने अपने लव्ड वन को लॉस्ट, दे हैव लॉस्ट दैट पर्सन, और इंस्टेड ऑफ टैगिंग देम और इंस्टेड ऑफ जजिंग देम, कंपैशन आना चाहिए, एम्पैथी आना चाहिए कहीं ना कहीं। इट्स
जी
नॉट दैट कि जो है वी आर एक्सेप्टिंग दैट थिंग कि जो है सोसाइटी को हम गलत ना कह बाहर रहती है।
correct. I think network issue हो रहा है. जी हाँ मैम.
Okay. So these are the days, जो specific days होते हैं, these are again the days when they come as a reminder कि
Correct.
इसके अंदर हम इसी तरीके के अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स करें। एक जो जजमेंटल सोसाइटी है, we try to educate people, please don't judge others, introspect more, judge less, be compassionate, more of empathy is needed in our society. Everyone is fighting his or her own struggle.
It is
So
very
let's be more compassionate towards each.
so. That is extremely valid a point, ma'am. I mean, first of families who suffer from losing a loved one, there is guilt, and there are so many feelings all rolled into one that we can't express into words because we haven't expressed that. And instead of looking down on such people, you feel compassionate towards them, you talk to them. And in fact, a lot of times losing a loved one can induce depression in yourself. So
Correct.
you prevent that, and the best part is we have solutions all right in front of us, we just don't use it. It's like सामने रखी हुई है चीज, हमें दिखती नहीं है,
और हम उठा नहीं रहे, हमें
हम
दिख ही रही
उठा
है, हम
नहीं
उठा नहीं रहे।
रहे.
हाँ,
हम so I think this brings us to the end. My concluding remarks are that we discussed important issues. We discussed racism. We discussed the growing compassion fatigue, and in fact, now in during coronavirus time, that our frontline workers are being overworked, sleep deprived. How important compassion fatigue is, and how important to overcome compassion fatigue really is. And all of these massive, big worded, loud verbose issues ultimately boil down to having open conversations about your mental health, right? I think the US vice
and
president elect, she in her campaign she would say that health is not just from the neck down, it's also the neck up,
up,
right?
neck
Haji.
up.
So
And your physical health is directly connected to your mental health.
your
If
mental
you do
health,
not have a good
absolutely,
mental health, you will not have a good physical health. It is so directly
absolutely,
connected. And there are
absolutely.
many diseases responsible because of your bad mental health,
Hmm.
like diabetes. It has been proved. Thyroid, high BP. Even some researchers say कि cancer cell भी aggregate कर जाते हैं negative thinking से. So it is all about the mind, and it's all in the mind.
Ha. So that is very true. I mean, it is so very enriching, and you again once again very rightly said that days like this, right? The day we are doing this in the light of International Survivors of Suicide Loss Day. We are celebrating the survivors, and days like this stand as a reminder that we shouldn't have to have days like these just to talk about mental health. We should do that every day. We should bring it from
Correct,
closed doors to open platforms and dining tables. Talk about it to your family members. So these are
correct,
incredible points. I know I speak on Shohadri's behalf, knowing that, and we both can agree that this has been an incredible session. And I ask you for your concluding remarks so that we can
हम्म,
end this
नहीं,
on a very good note.
बिल्कुल it was so wonderful coming here and talking to such young minds, to such lively young minds who are so much dedicated to do something for the society. And it was an honor as well as pleasure for me
Thank
to
you
be
so
with
much.
you guys. And
Thank you.
it's really nice that hope is the only religion of the mankind, and youth is the hope of the future.
Hi. Lovely. Very, very well said. So, thank
And
you
I
so
really wish you all the best for all your endeavors. And
Thank you,
uh, you guys are doing awesome job. Keep on doing, and we are there to help you. And we are always there to help you. And you keep on
Right.
doing the good work.
Thank you so much. I keep saying
And one,
thank you, but it doesn't feel like enough. So, so
don't worry.
I'd
I can.
obviously.
I.
So I guess I'd like to thank. I'd
And
like
one
to
thing more
end
I
this.
want to
Yes,
add
ma'am.
that solutions.
Hmm.
मुद्दों पे बहुत बात हो चुकी है,
हाँ
अब
जी.
उन्हें रेडीमेड सॉल्यूशंस चाहिए।
बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल. So that is very true, ma'am. I mean, problems. We think about, so we think about negative thoughts, focusing only on the problems. But there is a bright side. There is light at the end of the tunnel, and there is definitely a solution. Right? It's two sides of the same coin: happiness and sadness. So, with that in mind, I conclude this interview. I would like to thank you with all my heart, ma'am. You said yes to us at such a short notice. This interview would not be possible without you. I'd like to thank the head of my department who arranged for this. I She supports my ideas. She recognizes my potential and she supports me. And she was the one who could contact you and arrange this with you. I'd like to thank Shohadri
Ah,
and
don't bother, come on.
and uh, and the
नहीं,
entire
नहीं,
team,
थैंक यू सोहाद्री एंड आई
right? And I
Ma'am, this
think
honestly, like, I've been just hearing you all this while, and I was so enticed by the way you speak, the way you emphasize on what is truly important, crucial to our generation, our times, this entire phase. It's not easy for us to hear, for you to talk about, and for people to realize. So it's been a lovely session. That, I mean, and this is not it. I'm hoping and I'm sure we are going to work on more projects with you
yes, ma'am,
again in the
that is
future.
it.
So looking
Absolutely.
forward to that.
डेफिनेटली
Absolutely.
डेफिनेटली एंड
This has been
डेफिनेटली मी
incredible,
टू इट
and
वाज अ
Shuhadri.
प्लेजर विद यू गाइस
Yes, ma'am. Shohadri reminded us that we will keep doing more of this. So, to everyone who have watched this
श्योर
to the
श्योर
end,
श्योर
so to everyone and anyone who watched this to the end, I know and I hope and I know that you've learned many new things. I encourage you to seek for solutions and not just focus on the problem. And
श्योर
I ask you to stay tuned to the Instagram handles and the Facebook handles and the now newly developed YouTube handles of Humans of Calcutta, where we continue doing and undertaking incredible projects just like this one. And we spread awareness. And I'd like to talk about MAP's organization, Nurture Life, which is doing a fantastic job, right? Including bringing mental health to all sectors, right? Not just children, but also parents, um, different people, right? And focusing on their needs. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Shahadri. And
थैंक यू सो मच इट वाज माय प्लेजर
absolutely,
एंड ऑल द
absolutely.
बेस्ट
Thank you, ma'am.
गुड
Right.
नाइट
Thank you so
थैंक यू
much.